Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Happy Monday. Monday is the beginning of the week, which means another cleaning video. This time I'm doing a power hour. We have just returned the Sunday night from a competition. We were away for a couple days, so I just needed to get all that sorted out that we brought back home, empty the luggage, empty the coolers. We came fairly late, and then I just emptied the hard cooler that had all the stuff that needed to go in the fridge, and I left everything else out. So I wanted to get all this done before the kids showed up in the morning. I also went through my morning routine, which you also saw on my to-do list. So I started with emptying the luggage and emptying all my toiletries, and then doing my morning routine. I like making to-do lists. It keeps me on track. That way I know what I've done and what I still have to do, and it's a sense of accomplishment when you look back and see what you've done. I also wanted to quickly pop on here and share my herb garden as well. If you watched my setting up my herb garden and follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a slow progress of these herbs growing, and here they are. I think they're doing really well, and I usually water them first thing in the morning, so I thought I'd share this with you. Almost all of them are growing now, are popping out. I think the only one that's not yet fully is oregano. Besides cleaning up the stuff from traveling, my kids already had breakfasts before school, so I had to clean that up as well. Whenever we travel, I like to bring along this old Tassimo that I have because it's a very small coffee maker. I'm not a big fan of hotel coffee, and this way I don't spend obscene amounts of money on coffee, and I always have good cup of coffee on hand. I like to give Tassimo a good cleaning before I put it away for our next trip. So I'm just about done. The kitchen is done. Just have to put the coffee maker away. I wiped down the counters. The family room is looking decent. My son was left behind at home, and so there were some messes that needed to be cleaned up. I did everything on the list, check marked it, and I think I had some time left, which will be just enough for me to put away all the coolers and the travel bags. So as you can see, I had about 7 minutes left, and I was about 15 minutes away from the daycare kids coming. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.